What's up? Ha! Hey, but that's not my birthday now. Oh my goodness.
Welcome
wow.
to Kenya.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you so much. Really, you guys planned this? Woo!
Welcome to Kenya.
Oh, that's the. I'm sorry. This is the family that makes.
Yeah.
I spoke to you, eh?
Yeah, you spoke to me.
Oh my goodness.
This is my husband Tristan.
Oh, and the baby.
This is my
Hey, me, I love babies, so
Go, Papa.
please don't say anything. Huh? You don't know me, eh? I'm from Ghana. Wow.
Say hi there.
Hi there. Say hello.
Hi there.
Say hello.
Say hi there.
Oh my god!
Whoa! Welcome to Kenya. Oh, I need to pop my champagne. Oh, so all this one, I knew something was going on.
Oh, liar. You didn't
No, I said, where's Lauren? Okay.
This cake is beautiful.
You planned this one, eh? You
I've
planned
seen
this
you
one.
2 times, by the way.
Get me. Oh, you are recording, eh? Thank you so much, man. Yo, I mean, I just landed in Kenya. I thought nobody knows, but not knowing people were planning a special cake for me. You should have written Karibu Kenya. Now I speak Swahili, yeah? You want to eat the cake? You're gonna cut the
I
cake.
always like your caption in Swahili.
Yeah.
I love them. Like,
Now I'm learning a lot too. Yeah.
Thanks to her.
Thanks to you. Bariako.
Hey, nice.
Hey, unafanya nini?
Yes.
Thank you, it's for me. Yeah. So it's saying Karibu Kenya. I want to welcome you all to Kenya. I'm in Nairobi right now. Can you please show that I'm in Nairobi? Let them know that I'm in Nairobi, but I want to say thank you so much.
You're most
Please,
welcome.
come closer. Come closer. Oh, what is your name on Instagram?
On Instagram,
Mhm.
the Pastry Kitchen. YouTube, the Pastry Kitchen. My personal page is Julie_Menu.
I just want to say thank you so much. Help me say thank you to your mom. Asante sana. Wow.
She's quiet. She's a cool kid.
Wow. I just want to say I'm humble.
The stories are full.
Hey,
I'm
how
going to
can
tell a
stories
lot
be?
of people.
Oh, I'll try to digest.
Ngoja tu dakika mbili utaona.
Hi there.
Say hi
Oh,
Hi
what
there.
is he?
Hi there.
Actually, it's my first time of cutting a cake.
Trudy, you
Really?
the
It's my first time.
title of the
Ibrahim. Hey, how do you teach me now? How do I do it? Just like that?
Yes,
I don't want the car the Kenya flag. And okay. Oh my goodness! Wow. So, are you cutting? Oh my god. Okay. Here's my hand. So sorry. I need to use my hand.
I'm not giving you.
That's sure.
WodeMaya, hold up. There's a culture, cake you're fed.
Cake your face.
Yes, if you have someone special, you
It's also-
can't just take.
Take.
You know,
No,
When you're in
WodeMaya,
Kenya, do what Kenyans
we
do.
refused.
Thank you.
guys, if I touch with my hands, it's a
Okay.
blessing.
On your next one, yes.
The next one.
Good.
Oh, you gotta feel good cake.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Jambo.
Jambo bwana.
It's not my
Habari
birthday.
gani?
Nzuri sana. wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu hakuna matata.
Jambo.
Jambo bwana, habari gani?
Mzuri sana.
What does that mean?
Like hi, how are
Hi,
you?
karibu.
You are most welcome to Kenya. There's no worry, kuna matata. Trudy, you have to be fed also.
Oh. Welcome to your own country.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Missouri sana. Okay.
Nice one. Now you can share with the guest.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Thank you.
Wow.
One of the best.
Oh yeah, this is one of the best workout in any country I've ever visited.
Oh, you want
Oh.
Only in Kenya.
Only in Kenya.
What's your second home?
Yes.
You thought you were opening a soda?
Didn't see that coming.
Guests.
No, you have to start with hand you.
Hey.
Yes.
That's how we do it.
And
We start
like,
with the
like,
visitors and then now.
in my culture, guest
The
has to
opposite.
feel comfortable before me.
You're the guest. You're the guest today.
Yeah, the room in our country. Okay. Now I understand. Yeah. Because like when somebody comes to your home, sometimes you give them all the food. Make sure they eat and you're gonna eat their
The remaining.
That's how it is.
Very sad.
If you said that in Ghana, I would have arrested you.
I think we used to have that culture a long time, right?
Yeah.
With our parents, but in Kenya things changed.
Toast to this new cake. Is it a new cake? Eh? I'm not done.
You're not done. Hi, Trudy.
And toast to the people who made this cake possible.
Pastry kitchen.
May their business grow in abundance.
Amen.
Can I hear something?
Amen. Amen.
And yeah.